Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure ESS and BI services are running and that you have the appropriate job and ESS privileges. Next, identify the concurrent program or BI report you need to schedule and capture every required parameter so the job runs predictably. Once done, open scheduled processes in Oracle Fusion, select Create, and pick the exact job type and application area. This gets you straight into the actionable configuration rather than lingering in setup checks. You now configure detailed job settings, enter parameter values, select output format and an appropriate log level to capture useful diagnostics. Then choose the Run As user, pick a start time and recurrence pattern, set the time zone and an execution timeout so long jobs don't hang resources. Make sure to attach destinations, FTP, email, or the report repository, and set notifications so you and stakeholders receive success or failure alerts. This prevents silent failures and supports auditability. You finish by validating the configuration. Run the job immediately as a test and review the generated log and output to confirm results match expectations. If the test is clean, adjust parameters or recurrence if needed and submit the job into the production schedule. If things go wrong, first check ESS agent logs, BI publisher logs, and that the Run As user roles are correct. This single troubleshooting tip, verify logs and permissions, resolves the majority of scheduling failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.